Hi there, today we are going to be reviewing text features. Go ahead and say that word with me, text features. Excellent. Now I know we've gone over text features before, but today we are going to be going over them, reviewing, and I'm going to be introducing some new text features to you. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Oh yes, I have two little posters and we're going to be going over each one of these text features together. So, text features. Authors choose text features to help explain ideas to readers so they can locate information. So when we have a text feature in a book, we see those text features and it helps us to better understand and locate the information the author is trying to get over to us. So do we find text features in fantasy books or in informational books? We're going to find text features in informational books, right? Where the author is trying to give us information, teach us something new about a topic, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on these text features. So we have diagrams. Go ahead and say the word diagrams. Excellent. Diagrams are pictures with labels that tell what each part is. So here's our picture with the labels. Window, roof, door. So diagram has the picture and the labels. All right, here's labels. Go ahead and say the word labels. Excellent. Labels name parts of a picture. So when you see these labels, think of just the words. So here's the leaf in the trunk of a tree. All right, so one more time. Diagram is the image, the picture, and the labels. Labels is just the words. All right, let's jump over to this one right here. Text can be in different colors. The colors can mean something or just be for fun. All right, so I'll show you an example of this here in just a little bit. So again, text can be in different colors. The colors can mean something or just be for fun. Okay, so maps. Go ahead and say the word maps. Excellent. Maps are small pictures of big places, right? Okay, pictures. Here's pictures. Say the word pictures. Excellent. Pictures may be drawings, meaning is it a photograph taken with a camera or is it drawn with maybe a pencil? It is drawn. There is no camera involved. All right. All right. So this one right here has the same information as this right here. Here's our next one. Text can be in different sizes. Bigger text is usually more important than smaller text. Sometimes you might hear a teacher say bold word or keyword, and that's what it means by bigger text. It's usually important. The reader is going to need to know what that word means or remember that for later. So let's go ahead and look at some examples. Okay, so our first text feature example I want to point out to you from a book is bigger text. Remember I told you you can also say bold word or keyword. Now, tropical forest, do you see how this right here is bigger than the rest of the text? It's dark and it stands out. Yes, it's because the author wants you to notice this word. And if you don't know what tropical forest is, in a lot of informational books, you can go to the back of the glossary. The back of the book has a glossary, and you can find those bigger texts as bold words. Tropical forest, and it tells you the meaning of that word. For those words. Okay, so that's bigger text. Our next one up is maps, right? So here's a map. It says elephants are found in these parts of the world. So here's the map, and this color, this is where you can find elephants. So here's a map, an example. Okay, our next example is words in color. Words that are in color and stand out. Remember, they can be just for fun, or they can mean something. Our solar system. So it's kind of hard to see, but it's yellow, then white, then blue, so it's kind of colorful. This is, yes, it's for fun, but it's to point out that it's a heading. Our solar system, it lets us know that our heading, that this next 2 pages is going to be about the solar system. So it's to give us important information about the next 2 pages. Okay, so our next thing up is diagram and labels. Because remember, they kind of go hand in hand. They kind of go together. So a diagram is the image with labels. So here's the solar system. It's a picture of the solar system with the labels of each planet. Okay, so the diagram, the image, and the labels, and labels, just the words. Okay, all right, the last example I would like to go over is a picture. So this book right here, From Tadpole to Frog, I know there's no photographs and it may not look like it's an informational book, but this book does have information about the life cycle of a frog. So it does give you real information. They just do this through drawings, through pictures. So here's a picture. So this whole book gives you real information, facts, true things you're going to learn, except for they just use pictures, drawings, no photographs. All right, well, that's our example of text features. I hope you like this little review.